You know, this thing is really cool. I mean, it looks like I'm looking... Oops. Sorry. Welcome to What the Heck... see, now my hair is all messed up again. What the heck is Jim eating? Today, we're going to try some peeps. Now, I'm sure you know what peeps are. They're the mini marshmallow, you know, like little chicken things. Everybody loves peeps, right? They've got all different flavors of peeps. Everybody knows that. But today, we're going to try cinnamon hot tamale peeps. It says on the back, get fired up with the cinnamon flavored of hot tamale and peeps marshmallow. Two classic candy come together in one sweet and spicy treat. We're going to test it. We're going to see if it's sweet. I'm sure it'll be sweet. It's got like, oh my gosh. Yeah, right. Okay. There's 2.5 servings in here. I don't know where they come up with the 0.5 because there's only 4 chicken peeps in here, but you know, what are you going to do? So we're going to try this brand new flavor of peeps, and I'll let you know how it is. We'll give it a shot. So we'll be back right after these messages. Snoopy! Hey, Mario! Time is it? Alright, another couple of seconds. Alright. I see you! Alright, oh, okay, hold on, okay. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, and we're back. I hope you enjoyed those wonderful little intermission messages. So right now we're going to try the peeps. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. Now, I am not going to have anything to drink near me. Just in case they're hot, then I will get myself a drink, obviously. Oh my gosh. Open up, will you? Okay. Now, actually, it looks like there's more than... Okay, there's 2 packages. Okay, so here's what they are. They're all put together, just like this. You got 2 packages of them. The other one's in there. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take off one little chicken peep. I'm going to let you take a look at it right now. Hi there. I'm a little chicken peep. Please don't eat me. I'm going to eat you. No, don't. You're a cannibal. Why? Because I eat chicken? I'm not a cannibal. Oh, okay. Bottoms up. Okay, so not hot at all. It just tastes like a marshmallow peep that is that's got a little bit of cinnamon on it. That's it. So no, it is not hot at all. I'll demonstrate again. And that's it. Well, they're okay. They're not nothing to go jump about. But they're not bad. I mean, I wouldn't run out and buy them again. Alright, well that's about it. Ew. What the heck is that? That's a peep eyeball. Yeah, gross. Okay, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this episode of What is Jim Eating? And I know it's non-eventful, of course. But that's about it. All right, if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Wow, I never really said that before. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like seeing me do stupid stuff, put it in the comments below. Give me some suggestions. Probably won't pay attention to it. Might not even read it, but, what are you going to do? All right, until next time. Remember, you are what you eat. So make it a good one.